Hi everyone, I'm Mandy. Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today we're making an easy tomato tofu soup. You will need 4 tomatoes. Cut across on the surface by using a paring knife. Then soak the tomatoes in some boiling hot water for about 30 seconds. This way, you can easily peel off the skin. However, the skin is edible, so you can keep it if you are feeling lazy today. Roughly dice the tomatoes. Make sure your knife is sharp. Cut the tofu into cubes. I'm using firm tofu because we are going to sear it. Turn the heat to high and heat the wok until smoking hot. When the oil hits the hot wok, it will create a nonstick layer. Then add the tofu cubes. Fry for a couple of minutes. If you don't like tofu, you can fry some beaten eggs instead. Shake the wok to loosen up the tofu. The bottom is slightly golden. Flip the tofu and sear the other side. This will create some Maillard reaction and make the flavor more complex. We don't have to sear all the surfaces. A couple of sides are golden is fine. Remove the tofu from the wok and set it aside. There should be some oil left in the wok. We will use that to saute the garlic, ginger, and tomato paste until fragrant. Add the diced tomato along with the salt and sugar. This is a basic home cooking recipe, that's why it's super simple. You don't need any complicated ingredients. Keep cooking until you can see a lot of tomato juice coming out. Add the tofu back and pour in 2½ cups of chicken stock. If you want to keep this dish vegan, you can use vegetable stock. Bring it to a boil, then thicken the soup with some cornstarch water. This is just 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of water. Stir well and you are done. Before serving, add some white pepper to taste and sprinkle some diced scallions as garnish. I remember this soup. It was always on our dinner table while growing up. It's simple, but it really warms the soul. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and delicious Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!